Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel GNC order. At first go to www.gnc.com. From there go to GNC Help Center. After that tap on this Start Chat option. Next select My Order from the drop-down menu. Then click on Contact Us button. After that click on this URL. Next scroll down and select Chat Now option. Then you will be taken to this page. Enter your first and last name, email address, and your phone number. From here select My Order, then tap on Start Chatting. Then write your problem here, request them to cancel your order. They will give you a link, open it, and fulfill the form. Write your order number then details. You can now check your order and then request your cancellation. So, that was all. Thank you for watching.